people, you're welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Hope great. Oh guys, it's been a while. You haven't seen me. I've not posted. I apologize. I've been very busy these days. Many things have been going on from here to there. Well, that's the talk of another day. Yeah. If you are new and you're just seeing this channel, you're just seeing this face, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you for being here today, okay? Now make it stick by clicking on the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell where you'll be getting notified of any new video I post. You are highly welcome to Linda Michael. Hey guys. Today we're gonna be seeing my new blender, Kenwood. I wanna use it for the first time to make shakes, watermelon and cucumber shakes for me. That's what we need nowadays to stay safe and healthy, sound and healthy. I just opened the carton and this is the appearance, and I will be just unboxing it straight away. I'll wash the blender and use it, okay? I just opened it right now. I had something like this before and it's bigger than this, but I got this because it has three different components. It has three different components as in the boxes. Now this is the engine. Round this Kenwood, and I got it from Arnold's Island, if you know Ireland very well. This is the main machine, the blading machine. This is the connecting wire. And here you have the big bottle, this one, the regular blender that we know you can use for any stuff. Now coming inside here, you have the mule, the one you use for dry meal, doing your cafe and dry powdery stuffs and others. That's why I'm getting it. You know, I relocated. I had all this in Italy. By coming here, I have the regular blender, blending bottle, but I need this one and also the shakes. This one has bottle for shakes too. So I needed this and this. So when seeing one that has both and the price was okay for me, I decided to take it like a set. Okay, so that's all about the bottle. Now I'll get them cleansed. I will be using this one for the smoothie now. I'm gonna clean it up and start the smoothie. Keep watching me. Don't pass it. Okay guys, we are done cleaning, guys. We are done cleaning, okay? So this is the bottle we're gonna be using and blend them with this. Yeah. And afterwards I cover with this, and so that's why I went for this brand, okay? Now I'll be cutting my cucumber in smaller pieces, making it easier for blending.
Cucumbers are low in calories but high in nutrients with many important vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidants, promotes hydration, aids in weight loss, lower blood sugar, promotes regularity, and aid your diet. Adding cucumbers to your diet helps you reap all the good benefits of cucumber and to stay healthy and sound. Watermelon keeps you hydrated. It contains nutrients and beneficial plant compounds. It prevents cancer, improves heart health, lower inflammation and oxidative stress. It also prevents macular degeneration and relieves muscle soreness. Adding watermelon to your diet helps you reap all the benefits and to stay healthy and strong.
Okay guys, now I'm done with this. It's a bit greenish because of the color of the cucumber, the greenness, so I wanted it like that. I didn't want to remove it, so for the things it's got, you know, green is life. Yeah. Now I'll be using this one to blend the rest for the kids, because whenever I'm eating they will surround me just like we did to my mom. So I have to put them in budget too. I cut more watermelon into this. Yeah, rice is done. Okay, I'll pour them into cups for them. I'm gonna be sharing that for them, and I'll be enjoying mine straight away. I'll give it a taste for us to see. Everyone knows what we are expecting now. If you are used to taking cucumber and watermelon, you can easily get the taste. Yeah, those are the only foods available right now. If you have more foods, you can add them up to get more vitamins and minerals. So guys, my shakes is ready. My watermelon and cucumber. This is a snack. You can use it for breakfast. I wanted to use it for breakfast. It later didn't work out, so I'm having it for snack. Though I had a very little lunch having in mind for this, I did not make lunch at all. So now let me use it as in between meal, my brunch. Yeah. And the dinner will be so light too, because we are trying to shield what lockdown has brought to us. Okay, yeah guys, let me enjoy it. So sweet. You know, watermelon already, so nice. No one can say no to this. I'm finishing it straight away because so light, there's no time to waste. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video till this moment. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, remember the notification bell there and put it to all, so you'll be getting to be notified in all my videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Thanks and bye.